Pre-op, preparing for your vasectomy procedure. Once you've decided that a vasectomy is right for you, you want to get online and look at our calendar and then compare that to your own calendar. Book in a day that's going to suit you. Ideally, you want a day where that day and the following day you can just go home and rest. So don't plan a super busy day at work. A vasectomy is enough for one day. You want to do a few things before coming in, so download some movies or Netflix. You might want to get some snacks or some beers for the rest of the afternoon. Pick up some Panadol or Nurofen to have it on hand if you haven't already got that at home, and even an ice pack or two are handy to have. So a vasectomy isn't enough for one day. Just pick some time, let your body recover, be gentle on yourself.